Today, boys and girls, we're going to be in the last week of our Unit 13, and I wanted to review the phonics sounds that we have learned so far. And guess who's back? Echo the elephant. So if you're familiar, I want you to participate along today, and I expect to hear you loud and clear. Right, Echo? Yeah. Okay, the first letter is A, apple, ah. Everybody, echo with echo. The second letter is A, consonant E, safe, A. Everybody echo. Echo says, great job. The third letter is E. E, add, ah. When you see Echo do that, Miss Vondrag's class, it means cut off your echo. The next card is E, consonant E, Pete, E. Everybody echo with echo. Nice job. I, itch, eh. Everybody? I, consonant E, pine, I. O, octopus, ah. O, consonant E, home, O. I hear you loud and clear. If you're not speaking up, I want to hear you. I want your mom to say, what are you doing in there? U, up, ah. Oops, I'm going to switch these two around. The first one is U, consonant E, mule, U. And the next one is U, consonant E, rule, oo. Nice job, everybody. So today we're going to look at our two of words that we're going to look at the ending, the suffix ending, es. But before we get started on es, I need somebody to tell me, if you can remember, what letters do we need to have at the end of a word in order to use the suffix es? Does anybody remember? I'm going to set those aside. Let's look here on our cards. So if we have a word like the word maybe miss, and if we want to say he misses his mom, that word miss, the base word, ends in what letter? That's right, it ends in the letter S. So S is one of the letters. If a word ends in S, you're going to use ES. The next word is, let's say, box. We have lots of boxes at home. Box, the base word, ends in what letter? That's right, box. Ends in X. So if a word ends in X, we'll use ES. The next word is the word quizzes. Quiz ends in what letter? Quiz. That's right, Z. So if a word ends in Z, we're going to use ES. What about the word bench? Bench. If we have many benches in a park, the base word ends in what digraph? That's right, CH. So CH, if benches ends in CH, you're going to add ES. And the last one, and not least, is, let's say I have the word finish. Your mom lets you go play, or that's not going to work. she finishes her work well so that she can go play. Finishes. So finish ends in the digraph finish, sh. So s, x, z, ch, and sh, if a word ends in one of those, it's going to get the suffix es.